finally caught up here, and after all the years of wanting to film with you, we're finally here. You've got a drive track and you've got your car here.
Exactly, it's dry, that's the main thing.
Yeah. So just tell us a bit about it.
Well, basically it started off as a stock 1 litre Lupo. We bought it and done a cheap and cheerful 20 valve 18T swap. It was engine off Facebook Marketplace, came with a gearbox and a Luma, got a really good deal on it. Gearbox that came with it was wrong, so it's a scrapyard box, scrapyard clutch. No idea what miles are on the clutch. It's the first thing that's getting changed when we get that sorted. But it's cheap and cheerful. It's eBay, scrapyard and a standard road car. And it's drag racing on a budget, isn't it? The total budget. I've probably got about £3,000 in the car, and it's went 12.7s. 12.7? I mean, today we're just doing 100 metres, aren't we? So the times are pretty much hard to work out and all over the place. It's more just trying to get the traction today. So we're obviously going to come to the army and watch you, see what it can do. You've bolted some slicks on now? Yes, slicks are on. It was just, I've done 2 runs with the treads on, and it just spanned the whole way down the track. But I'm struggling to do the burnout with the slicks now. So we'll try and put a bit of water down maybe and see how it goes. Awesome. So tell us a little bit more about the engine. It's a bone stock 20 valve with a KO3S. We've literally done nothing other than a service. It's had a map which we don't know nothing about. Got it off one of my friend's cars. They had it in a Polo. It dynoed at 230 to the wheels in his car. So we're assuming it's going to be the same. It's pretty much the same intercooler setup and everything. As I say, it's just thrown in with a TDI Golf gearbox. The only thing that's really custom is the mounts, which I buy off eBay, and the drive shafts, which I had made, but I think you can get some mixed match shafts that will fit. I've got you, See, it's all pretty much what you can buy out of the scrapyard or what you can get off eBay. Nothing scary? No, nothing, absolutely nothing. And this project's stripped up inside, isn't it? You're running pretty much... nothing inside, make it as light as possible. It's going to get a cage in it at some point. We need a cage in it for door slammers, so I've got GTI doors and a GTI bonnet because they're aluminium. So that's pretty true. Put the Lexan windows, you can just buy a kit. That was, again, it was just a kit that you can buy online for Lupo track cars. Just strip everything out and go and have some fun. Get it as light as possible and have some fun. I think it's 930 kilos with me in it, and a full tank of fuel. So we'd like to try and get it a bit lighter when we get the cage in. We're going to cut a few more bits out because it'll be a bit stronger. But and like you say, you use it on the road. You're doing street weekend in it again. Street weekend again. I don't think it's going to be any faster than it was last year, but it's a budget, and it doesn't need to be any faster than it is at the minute. So it's just a great little car to use as well. It's not the most comfortable thing on a drive, but it's usable, and you can go out, especially bracket race. That's what we built it for. We built it to run VW Sportsman. It's not something that is just someone will look at it and go, oh, that's just a street car. It is a street car, I use it all the time, but it's just a bit more fun, and you can do it for next to nothing. And you're proving that, aren't you, as well? Absolutely awesome. So, we'll see you on the start line. We'll be there. Get a couple of runs in, and we'll finish up by come back over to see you. So, fantastic. Awesome. Cheers, mate. Cheers, man.
That's within 100 service best. in the Lupo. Room by 7% on that front. Very quickly in two, sorry on that. A little loop there. That's 5.69 per rating.
Not too bad.
Yeah, it seemed alright.
Quicker?
Was it? I don't know. It felt quicker. I seem to have a bit more of a gap on that Mark IV.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
yeah.
second gear burnout's helped.
Aye.
But yeah, it seemed alright.
Yeah, the wheel speed nice. Reduces the smoke, doesn't it?
Alright, so hopefully that's one. That left lane is definitely stickier as well. Like. Still spinning all the way through first, but once you get into second, it's quite a bit better.
Yeah. Oh, she moves a bit.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
For the surface that it is, I think I'm more than happy with how it's going.
Yeah, yeah.
There's a lot of small suspension tuning that can buzz massively out on it.
Yeah.
Just obviously, it's got cheap eBay coilovers on it. It's got no adjustment.
Yeah.
So if I can get the slicks to sit flat, it's going to be a hell of a lot easier. Yeah, but it's going well. I'm going to try and do a couple more.
Yeah. So. Oh well, I'll catch you again, and I'll come say a few words as well before we wrap up.
Not a problem.
Awesome, mate.
Cheers, man.
Lyle, another one with the Lupo, Steve Hawkins. 4.80, Steve has run a 4.61 in the Audi.
And she lives to fight another day?
Yep, still running. It actually went quite well.
Yeah, yeah.
Quite pleased. Well, I don't know what their last two runs were, but best is 569.
Yeah.
66 mile an hour. So I mean, it's hard to tell what's that worth at 100 metres. Like,
It's hard to work it out, isn't it? I mean, like I say, we work in like quarter mile and eighth mile normally. It's hard to work the numbers out, but
100 metres, roughly 330 feet.
330, yeah. It's over before you know it.
Nah, oh god, yeah.
Well, yeah, you're just proving how much fun you can have on a budget.
Realistically, if I didn't have other plans this year, you could just go round in circles today as well.
Yeah.
You could just do two laps back to back, leave it to cool down.
So yeah, you were hot lot doing everything.
Yeah. But yeah, it's run really well. It's still alive. I'm surprised the clutch is still there, but it is. Just now get it ready for door slammers. My mate's driving door slammers, and then hopefully we won't have any work to do before street weekend.
Absolutely awesome. Yeah. Well, no doubt we'll see you again along the way.
Oh, 100%.
See you street weekend.
Yeah.
But yeah, just thank you for your time, mate.
Thank you very much.
And keep doing what you do.
Always will. Cheers, man.
Cheers, buddy.